Push the locking latches on both sides of the dust tank to release the power head assembly, then remove it. Place the power head assembly on its side, rotate the filter release knob counterclockwise, then pull the filter away from the power head assembly. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 5 screws on the filter rack. Remove the filter and water separation cup assembly. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 8 screws on the lower cover. Take the lower cover out and place it on its side. Use a T20 bit to loosen the screws securing the anti-static wire. Use a side cutter to cut the cable ties securing the wiring harness. Disconnect the 2 cables. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the terminal from the motor, then separate the lower cover from upper cover assembly. Use a side cutter to cut the cable ties securing the wiring harness. Use a PH1 to loosen the 3 screws to remove the battery connector clamping plate. Use a PH1 bit to loosen the 4 screws securing the electrical assembly. Disconnect the battery pack connector, then replace the entire electrical assembly. Place the new electrical assembly in the correct position, and the cables into the traps. Use a PH1 bit to tighten the 4 screws. The recommended torque is 0.3 to 0.5 Nm or 2.7 to 4.4 inch-pounds. Install battery pack release latch and connector clamping plate, then use a PH1 bit to tighten the 3 screws. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Nm or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds. Place the cables into the traps. Use a new cable tie to fix the wire harness.
Connect the cables from electric assembly to the lower cover assembly. Make sure that the black cable is connected to the black motor cable and the red cable is connected to the red motor cable.
Plug the motor terminals. Insert the screws through the holes and use a T20 bit to tighten the screws securing the anti-static wire. Use a new cable tie to fix the wire harness. Install the power head assembly. Be careful not to place the wires in a position to get trapped and pinched during the assembly. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 8 screws. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Nm or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds.
Install the water separation cup assembly. Ensure the water separation cup is correctly oriented. Install the filter rack.
Use a T20 bit to tighten the 5 screws. The recommended torque is 1.1 to 1.3 Nm or 0.8 to 1.0 foot-pounds. Align the position of the filter release knob with the slot in the center of the mounting bracket. Rotate the filter release knob clockwise to lock the filter into place. Turn the power head assembly upside down. Place the power head assembly on top of the dust tank and secure with the locking latches.